Moving forward, if you ever have trouble logging into your computer with GateKeeper, it might be time for a battery check. To check the battery, simply hold down the little button on your GateKeeper unit. The light on the back should turn green with a beep. This means your battery is working fine and well. If you hold down the button and it doesn't do this, it's time to replace your battery. Extra batteries are available from your technical admin or IT person. Batteries typically last 4 to 6 months. When your battery is low, your GateKeeper will notify you with a beep and a flashing red light. If you still can't log in, you might want to check for the USB sensor. This small USB sensor recognizes your GateKeeper. If you can't find one of these plugged into your computer, contact your IT person, and they will provide one for your workstation. Are you an authorized user? Sometimes particular computers have a specific security clearance. Clarify with your IT person if you have the credentials to access that particular terminal. Finally, if you're using a PIN number and you've forgotten what your PIN number is, contact your IT person and they will assist you in changing it.